All right, we got a nice peaceful day to run this Hobao. The wind is almost non-existent. Feels really great out here. 1700 car. Geared down a couple of teeth from my last pass, which was 170. This is my PB so far with this car here and overall. Got a little traffic. Changed my receiver and my transmitter set up, running Futaba now. I'm gonna give that a try. Really think it was the radio link equipment I was using last causing me some issues. Be an 8S pass. Oh. Naturally, there wasn't really any traffic out. As soon as we get down the road, here they come. No rush though, we're gonna be nice and easy with this. Get back on the road here. All right. Get turned around. Clear. All right. Oh, she sounded strong. Pretty good pass. Pretty good pass. All right. Let's see what we got. $171. Nice. Nice. 171. That's a new PB overall for me. Nice. That was a really good run. Really good. All right, 1700 car. Not really going to talk about the batteries. They haven't been released yet, but that was my first pass with them, and geared down 2 teeth from my last 8S pass with this car, which was a 170, and just ran a 171, 5,300 feet. So nice. This is gonna be a killer setup here.